Good morning. This is a little tutorial to show you how to use the Sora Overdrive system to be able to listen to ebooks and audiobooks. I'm going to go to Switch Schools so you can see what it would look like. You're going to go to soraapp.com. You need to choose Clay County School District on it may say Clay Central School District sometimes, whatever, choose this one. We have one account for the district for this, and this is for CCCHS students and Wakefield 6th grade through 12th grade students. So choose this is my school. And then again, yeah, so Clay Central Unified School District. Your email address, and then your password for, your password is your Power School number. Nice. Love to see it. Okay, so obviously you want to have that be saved. A little side note, you can add a public library up here. Put our zip code, and then you can choose Sunflower eLibrary. So you can actually kind of switch back and forth between those. So that's through the state. I'm going to switch back to Kansas schools to ours. Oh, I need to make this bigger. Okay, it is what it is, people. So you've got collections over here. You can choose available now, new ebook editions, your next great read. Clay County audiobooks are audiobooks we bought specifically for our school district that people from other school districts can't read. I'm going to go to new audiobook editions and check it out. Harry Potter in German. Cool. So you can choose any of these, and if you click on listen to sample, you can do that. I recommend typically that you want to read a little bit or listen to a little bit before you actually borrow something out.
Scenes of her husband's face to scoop out his brains.
Yikes, not for me. So I won't be borrowing that, but if I wanted to, I would click on this. And then keep in mind, if you are borrowing it, you can continue listening on your iPad or your phone. There is a nice little app called Sora by Overdrive for your phone or iPad. I believe they're going to push those out. If you have a school-issued iPad, you should be able to find that soon. And if you have your own device, you can go to Google Play or whatever to get to that. All right, so I'm going to go back to look at collections. Let's say I want to look at most popular. Okay, so Miles Morales is checked out, but I can place a hold on that. And it shows what date it is. I can look and see. Okay, maybe not, whatever. It's all fantastic, you guys. We're all just doing our best right now. Okay, maybe I can see loans. Nope. Activity. Okay, whatever. Anyway, the point is, this is free to you. The district pays for it, and you can look at whatever you want as far as what you have checked out. You can renew things if nobody else has put a hold on it, which is quite convenient. If you are 6th through 8th grade, the highest you can get is young adult. If you are a high school student, there is some quote unquote adult stuff, meaning that it's written for not specifically for teens. In here in the mystery section, I personally think One of Us is Lying is a fantastic book, and everybody who likes any kind of mystery or suspense would like it. It's like kind of a modern day Breakfast Club type thing. So notice that you have search, you have reading settings, you can change the font, how you want it to be on here, etc. And that's all available through the app as well. Email me or Mrs. Auld if you have questions about how to use it or how it works.